All right, this is The Night They Drove Old Dixie Down. This is kind of the Joan Baez version. It's a little simpler than the band version. We're going to have a capo on the first fret. We're going to come out with this little intro. Okay, so it's like a C chord, 2-0-1-0. Pull the 1 out, and you're like an E minor chord there. And then we'll go to an A minor, 2-2-1 open. Back to that C chord, 2-0-1-0. So it's kind of like 4 shapes. It's like, but then we'll start over in that same one. Okay, so 2 times through those 4 chords. And then we're going to get into the verse. Now I've got the melody kind of woven into the chords here. So we got. Okay, so that's how we get going. So our verse is going to go 2 times on the A minor. And then we get into the melody there. We got 2 on the G string, 1 on the 2nd string, a little open there. And then we go to a C chord. So we got. We'll go 3-1-1, hit the C chord again, end with a 1-2 there. And check out the tab on this, very helpful. So 2-1-0. Now we're going to hit the F twice here, 3-2-1, 2-1, 2-3, and then we're going to an A minor here, 2-2, chord, and then bass, chord, chord type of thing. So. The whole thing again, we got. So here we have a C, and then 0-3, open, open, on the bottom, to an A minor, 3-1-1. At the end of that measure, we'll have a little 2 there, and we're going to go back to that F section again. So here, this new one is C, 0-3-0-0, A minor, 3-1-1 on the 2nd, and then that 2, back to the F section. Now we have another F section. So we had the 3-2-1, and then 2-2 on the G, 1-2-1-3. We're gonna go to a C there. 1-1-1-1. So this new F section was. Kind of 2 A minors. 1 open. And then that 3 is kind of like with an F, so it's like 3-1-1-1. Kind of like bass chord to fill some space. An A minor. So A minor, 2-1, 2-1, 1, and then F with the 3. 3-1-1-1, 2-1-3, C. It was a time I opened to 3. Remember, that's A minor to 3 with the little open to 3. So it's 0-3, A minor 3, 1-3-3, D chord. Okay, so let's go over everything again from that verse. We got. 3 on the second to a little open. C chord, 3. Then we have the A minor with the 2, 2, 3. So we have a 3, and then 2, 2, 3 to 1. F chord to the 2 to the open to a C. So that's tricky. It's like C. And then O, 2, 1. A minor, open, open, 3, 1, 3. We repeat that, and then this one goes like O, 3, O, 3, 1, 3, 1. And that's the na, 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 na. So we got hit the open again. And that was a 2, 2, 3 to 1 to open. Bass chord fill time. Now D chord with the open little string. So it's O, 3, 3, 3, O, 3. Go from that F with the 3 in it. 2 to open to 3. We'll strum the F a little bit. So from the chorus again. And then we go back to that beginning thing. Next verse. Now you're going to do another verse after you do that intro thing again, but let's say we're going to go to the ending now. We're going to go. So there's a little riff at the very end when you're going to finish on an A minor. Hammer on here, open G, hit that A minor chord. Okay, so just take it nice and slow. Look at the tab. It's really fun when you get it going. Think about all the think about the lyrics to this. You know, Virgil Kane was my name, and I fell down the damn old train. And then it's cavalry came, all that stuff. So fun stuff. All right, the night they drove old Dixie down. The band, Joan Baez version, a little bit more simple. Capo first fret. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks.